What is up everyone, I hope you are having an awesome day whatever you are up to. So in today's video we are going to check out the Corsair K70 MK2, but not just any Mark II, we are going to check out the special edition. So as soon as I seen this was launched in the UK in that wonderful silver and white combo, I knew I just had to get my hands on it. At £169 here in the UK, it's certainly not the cheapest keyboard around, but let's jump in and see if it is worth your hard-earned cash. So first off, let's take a look at what is included in the box. First of all, we do have the keyboard itself, which we will obviously check out shortly. We have a detachable wrist rest, which is textured and soft touch, so it should be pretty good. We also have the usual manuals, and last up we have those textured keycaps that we have seen before, and also a keycap puller if that is your thing. Personally, I never use the textured keycaps as I also like to type on my keyboards, and having these makes it very difficult, but if you're purely gaming, they may come in handy, so it's definitely a nice inclusion. So onto the keyboard itself, and honestly this thing looks so sweet. The brushed silver and aluminium is out of this world. It just looks so clean, and paired up with those white PBT keycaps, I must say it is an awesome combo. Design wise it certainly doesn't look drastically different, but let's take a look around. So up top left you will find a profile key, as this board does have 8GB of onboard storage, which will allow you to save things like your macros, your profiles and all that good stuff, and take them with you when you are on the go, which is a pretty awesome inclusion. We have a brightness key for the RGB, and we also have that Windows lock key. Dead center you will find the RGB backlit Corsair logo that I think looks so clean, and top right we have all of our audio controls, including the scroll wheel for the volume that comes in super handy. So as we have seen before on Corsair keyboards, we have that extra long braided cable that terminates into two USB, one for the keyboard itself and the other for the pass-through. So if you like having a tidy desk, then your cable management skills will need to be on point, as it is certainly pretty much a mission trying to route this cable as it is so long, but I can't complain. So as you've probably already guessed, we do have a USB port on the rear that you can utilise at your leisure. Taking a look at the underside, you will see the rubberized feet to stop the keyboard moving around, and we can also adjust the feet to give that perfect angle for typing. If we pop the keycaps off, you can see those Cherry MX speed switches, and if you follow the channel you will know that these are my go-to. If you're not a fan of the speeds, then you will be disappointed, as the special edition only arrives with the speed switches. There aren't any of the other 5 available like there is with the normal K70 Mark II. So if you like your reds etc, then I'm afraid you'll have to just go with the standard black aluminium version, which looks pretty awesome as well, but if you're looking for the silver and white combo, then it's pretty much speed or nothing. So one advantage of that silver backplate and the white keycap combo is obviously how good the RGB looks. The glow is just incredible and flows so nice. Honestly, if you like RGB then you will love this. The raised floating keycaps also make it look so much better. Of course you can go ahead and control all of the RGB using Corsair's IQ software. I won't bore you with this as I have showed you this many times before, but basically you can control everything you need in here, from RGB to macros to profiles etc, and you can be as basic or advanced as you like. There's also a pretty nice community that you can go ahead and look at for setting up some nice RGB profiles and pretty much some awesome custom stuff, so definitely go ahead and check that out if that is your jam. So what is it like to game on, as obviously that is the whole point of buying a gaming keyboard. Well, for someone like me who loves the speed switches, there wasn't really a learning curve at all. If it's your first time using them, you may need to get used to it, as they're certainly not as clicky as other switches like the reds etc, and they are super responsive as expected with that 1.2mm actuation. Obviously you can go ahead and either use the wrist rest or remove it. It's super simple to do. It basically just clicks into place, and if you don't like it you can pull it off. For me, using the wrist rest while gaming is definitely the go-to choice, as it is super comfortable and the soft touch plastic is really nice. It's not over grippy, so I can move my hand around pretty easily. So the main question here is the Mark II worth buying? Well, I would say if you're on the market for a new keyboard, I would definitely check this out. If you are sitting with the Mark I, it's probably not worth the upgrade in my eyes, but that's definitely a choice you will have to make. If you are a baller with extra cash, then why not? If you are sitting with the Mark 1 and would like some white keycaps, then Corsair do offer these, and I will leave them linked down below as well, just in case you want to spice up your Mark 1. So that pretty much rounds it up, guys. As you know, if you have any questions, just let me know down below. Even if it's unrelated to this video, I will probably still get back to you. As always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Stay safe, be kind to each other, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.